Hi everyone, I am Tarun Tyagi, founder of Tyagi Real Estate. Today I am going to show you one of my rental buildings in Dubai. Come, let me show you. So guys, this is our reception area. This is our accounts area. We manage the books over here. And come with me. This is our sitting area where we close the deals of a studio apartment. And this is a staircase, this is a lift and a watchman room over here. Right now we have 100% occupancy in this building, but I am attaching some photos and videos so you will get to know how we are providing studio apartments to our tenants. Just go and check.